So let me get this straight. You want to do a video about celery?
March is National Celery Month.
You keep saying that.
Let's just try a few ideas and see if we can't figure something out.
Zach, celery has nothing to do with selling houses.
I can fix that.
Celery. 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 Celery.
You're good. Okay, you ready? Alex, celery, take one.
Hey, it's Alex Saenger, and did you know that March is National Celery Month? And to honor Celery Month, we're gonna help you celery your house. Hey, it's Alex Saenger, and if you wanna increase your monthly celery, think about getting a real estate license. Hey, it's Alex Saenger. Did you know that celery is a superfood and it can help you be more decisive when searching for a home? Well, it can. Zach, this pun thing is not working.
We need to go deeper.
Deeper?
Public service announcement.
I'm Alex Saenger with Keller Capital Properties, and I'm here with a very serious public service announcement. This road right behind me is 355, and just the other day, two pieces of celery crossed that road. Now, while one of them stopped, the other one kept going. That piece of celery got crushed by oncoming traffic. Modern medicine has made it so that we can take that piece of celery and revive it to its original state.
The only unfortunate part is, it will always remain a vegetable. Drive safe, folks.
Yeah, this is an awful idea.
Just make it a blooper montage. I got a listing appointment. Hey, look, it's an open house. Get it? It's an open house. Hey, it's Alex Saenger with Keller Williams Capital Properties, and I don't mean to stalk you, but did you know that celery is a what do you call that? Hi, I'm Alex Saenger with Keller Williams Capital Properties, and stop it, Zach.
Drive safe, folks. Oh my God! Oh my God! It broke!